Apple iPhone SE 4. What to expect? Apple's budget-friendly iPhone SE is getting a major upgrade. The new iPhone SE 4 will adopt the sleek design of the iPhone 14. This means flat edges and a modern 6.1-inch OLED display, a big step up from the current model's smaller 4.7-inch screen and classic Touch ID. However, don't expect features like the dynamic island or the new action button. Instead, it'll likely stick to a notch and the familiar alert slider. Plus, USB-C is almost guaranteed, thanks to new European regulations that phase out Lightning ports. With these upgrades, a price hike seems likely, but it still promises to be the most affordable way to experience iOS with new hardware. When's the release? Most signs point to March 2025, following Apple's usual SE launch pattern. But there's a chance it might surprise us and debut alongside the iPhone 16 in September 2024. For now, the current iPhone SE is still the most affordable way to join the Apple ecosystem without going secondhand. What do you think of these upgrades? Let us know in the comments.